Welcome to SongwritersdB, the ultimate desktop app for organizing your music ideas with ease. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to record and save a song using the mobile app. Start by opening the app. Then, tap the red microphone icon on the right. On the next screen, tap the microphone icon to begin recording. When you're finished, tap the stop button. To listen to what you just recorded, tap the play button. If you want to add more audio, scroll to the end of your recording and tap Record again. To redo your recording completely, tap Start Over and record a new take. When you're happy with your recording, tap Finish Recording and OK. At the top, replace the default date and time with your song's name. Tap the back arrow to return. If you haven't connected to a cloud drive yet, tap Settings, choose your preferred cloud service, and complete the setup. Finally, head back to the Songs page and tap Sync All to save everything to the cloud. And that's it. Capturing your music on the go is simple and seamless with SongwritersdB. Stay tuned for more tutorials and keep the music flowing.